The former chairman of the Labour Court, Kevin Duffy, has been appointed chair of the expert commission that will look at the funding model for domestic public water services. He was appointed by Minister Simon Coveney following the resignation of Joe O'Toole on Tuesday. Our political correspondent Martina Fitzgerald joins us now. Martina, are people happy with this appointment?
Well, I suppose it depends what view they take of the Commission. For those who are opposed to its existence, it really makes very little difference who is chairing it. For instance, Sinn Féin, AA, People for Profit believe the Dáil should vote instantly on this and not wait for a Commission to look at the matter, which is ironic given that Sinn Féin were one of the first to propose an independent expert commission to look at this, but they don't want it looking at the current model. But those who are keeping an open mind on the issue, I suppose they would say he has the appropriate CV, he ticks a lot of boxes, he is used to dealing with difficult disputes and to resolving what appear to be intractable situations. He also does his work behind closed doors and is quiet, and many in political circles, especially after the Joe O'Toole debacle, view this not only to be a requirement but a necessity. So here in Leinster House, I suppose for those who are keeping an open mind about this commission, they believe he's a safe pair of hands and also, more importantly, a safe pair of lips.
OK, Martina Fitzgerald, thank you.